In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to increase voice chat volume in Roblox. Let's start this by opening a browser on your computer and search for Roblox website, then log into your account. Now let's join a game experience first to show it to you. Let's just join this game right here. Now once you're in the game, then open the Roblox menu at the top left part, or you can click the ESC key on your keyboard. In the menu tab, go to Settings option, then scroll down the volume. Now, simply increase the volume here to your liking. Take note that this will also increase the overall volume of the game, as the current version of Roblox doesn't have the option to target the voice chat. You can also go to your speaker option on your computer on the lower right part. Right-click on the speaker icon and then select Open Volume Mixer. Next, you can try to increase the volume for Roblox to a higher level and try if that will increase your voice chat volume in Roblox. That's basically all of it.